Behind every distressed property, there's a story of hardship, resilience, and the incredible power of the human spirit. So when you visualize empty streets, boarded up windows, vacant lots, these distressed properties can blight communities, lowering property values and creating safety concerns, large crime areas, drug dens, and so on. However, they also represent untapped potential. So for many homeowners, foreclosure is a devastating experience leading to financial ruin and emotional distress. But you can, amidst all these challenges, find inspiring stories of individuals and communities who have turned adversity into opportunity. So if you imagine that you're a homeowner, you've lost your home, you feel lost and hopeless, but with the help of a financial advisor, counsellor, or community program, you may be able to regain control of your situation. It's not easy, but it can be worth the effort. So there aren't just commercial organisations restoring projects. There are community restoration projects as well. So in addition to real estate investors, there are community organisations and local governments playing a vital role in revitalising distressed properties. By transforming these properties, they can breathe new life into neighbourhoods and create thriving communities. So from these inspiring stories, we learn valuable lessons: the importance of financial literacy and planning, the power of community support and collaboration, and the resilience of the human spirit. After all, this is the built environment we're talking about, and homes are a fundamental requirement of every family, whether it's a one person, two person, three person, however many people in the family, they need a home and a roof over their head. So by understanding the challenges and opportunities associated with distressed properties, we can work together to create a brighter future for our communities. If you'd like to discuss any aspect of restoring or refurbishing, converting distressed properties, then don't hesitate to contact me. That's Alan from Alpus Group on +44 7539 141257 or +44 333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can simply drop me an email to alan@alpusgroup.com. Cheers for now.